It's Judy Love Bowman, aka Dr. Think and Shine, T-H-I-N-K-E-N, Shine, here with another tip on writing your book this year, writing your book this month, writing your poem. If there's a book inside of you, I'm here to help. First, as I said on most videos, ask God what He wants you to do and how He wants you to do it. And if God gives you an assignment, believe He's going to give you the resources to do it. Time, finances, an army of angels. Angels are always in position when He puts you on an assignment. So I just wanted to tell you in this video to be confident. Once God gives you an assignment, be confident. Don't worry about OPO, other people's opinions. Be confident. Stay focused and write your book this month. Write your book this year. And as I often say, be sure to publish in digital and print, paperback or hardback, because digital can easily be manipulated. Print books are very difficult to manipulate. God bless you and happy writing.